Hi guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Zoom as a recording platform to film help videos for your students, or you could use this to film absent videos to share with students who've missed your class. And then we're going to talk about how we can upload those videos onto YouTube as an unlisted link so that only students who have the link can access them, or so that you could just upload them as an embedded file into Canvas so that students can access those help files all year long. Let's get started. To begin with, you're going to log into Zoom just like you would do for any other Zoom session. You're going to set up your microphone and your video just like you would for any class that you might do. And then once you have all of that set up and ready to go, you are going to hit the record button at the bottom of the screen. Once I've hit record, I then share my screen. You can choose which kind of screen you want to share. I'm going to share the whole screen in this case, but you could also just share your internet screen like you normally would. It's up to you which screen you choose. And I have already used Zoom to create a video to share with my students on YouTube, and I have saved that video to my desktop. Now you can save your Zoom videos wherever you want. They automatically save to a Zoom file in your documents. But I found that to make them easy to find, saving them to my desktop is my best option. I then am going to right click and I am going to rename this file as soon as my computer decides to cooperate. There we go. And I'm going to rename it to whatever I want to call the video in YouTube. So how to access the Rhythm app. All right. So next step is to go to YouTube. So you need to make sure that you have gone to the portal first and logged in under your allenisd.org Google account. And you will use your Google account because YouTube is owned by Google. So if you have a Google account of any kind, whether it's a Gmail or whether it's a school account, you automatically have a YouTube account as well. So once you've logged in under Allen ISD, you'll then go to youtube.com. And once you arrive at youtube.com, you're going to want to check the M&M in the top right-hand corner to make sure that you really are signed in under your Allen ISD account. If you're doing this from your home computer or you use other Gmail accounts at school and it's not Allen ISD, just click switch account and then you can choose your Allen account. All right. Once you've checked and you are sure that this is your Allen ISD account, you're then going to go 3 icons over to the little video camera and click create. And this will open your YouTube studio. You're going to want to choose upload video rather than go live because you want to upload a video. And then you'll click select files. My computer's a little slow. And then you're going to want to go to your desktop, and I'm going to choose how to access the Rhythm app and click open. At this point, YouTube's going to go ahead and start the upload, and they're going to start processing while you fill in the information. You're going to need to add a title, and your title can be up to 100 characters. YouTube will name your video whatever the file is named. If by chance you happen to leave the Zoom title, you can change the title. That's not a problem. You would just delete this and type over it. I just find it's easier to have the document titled already. You can then add a description. This is always a good practice so that your viewers know what they're looking at. For time's sake, I'm not going to here. You can upload a thumbnail if you have an image that's a PNG that you've created, or once the video has processed, YouTube will typically give you some options you can choose from. It's up to you. You can then add this to your playlist. I'm going to add it to Remote Learning Helps. And the important part here is that where it says, is this video made for kids, you need to check yes, that this video is indeed made for kids. And this will automatically set the age restriction to no, don't restrict my viewers. So going back up to thumbnail, as you can see, there's the thumbnails here that you can choose from. There's like a cheesy picture of me or just some other thumbnails that you could choose from as well. All right, so once you've finished selecting age restriction, all that good stuff, you'll click next. Don't worry about the video elements. Click Next. And this is the important part. You want to save or publish your video as an unlisted visibility. So change your visibility to unlisted. And what this means is that if somebody has the link to your video, they can watch it. If they don't have a link, then you won't show up in any YouTube searches or in any Google searches. If you select private, then this means that only you yourself as the creator and people that you have approved can view the video. So this means if you choose private, every time a student tries to access the video, they're going to have to request permission from you to view it. So unlisted is your better bet. Don't use public because public it will show up in search engines and anybody can see it. So choose unlisted. You can schedule when you want your video to appear. I want mine to be instant, so I'm going to leave it alone and then just click save. Now at this point, one of two things can happen. Either your video is a little bit larger, and so YouTube will still be processing the video, and if that's the case, it will bring up a screen that says still processing, don't close this screen, or it will say it's okay to close. Or if your video is already processed and published, it will bring up a place where you can share the link. It will give you the video link that you can copy, or you can get the embed code. So that's all you have to do. Once that's done, when you click off of there, you can see that your video is now in your channel videos and it is unlisted, and you can view it on YouTube. You can check out the analytics for it. You can copy the link, so on, so forth. You can also delete from here if you decide you don't want to leave that in your YouTube. And that's how you upload a video unlisted to YouTube that you can share with your students. Now going back to using Zoom as a webinar or a tutorial function, at this point, now that my video is done, I'm just going to go back to Zoom. I'm going to stop my screen share. And then I'm going to finish up my video. So thanks for watching how to use Zoom as a tutorial, as well as how to upload a video to YouTube as an unlisted video. And I'm now going to click the stop button. I'm going to process the video just like I would off of Zoom, save to my desktop, and I'm going to send you guys the link after I've uploaded it to YouTube. So thanks for watching.